So this week's topic was to poach or not to poach when talking about sausage. Given that I posed the question, I think you could probably guess what my answer is. My answer is absolutely to poach. So you can notice here, I am making myself some dinner, because that's what we do when you're locked down with nothing else to do. So right here I've got two different kinds of sausages. I've got a chicken and apple sausage here, and I've got a classic brat. They're poached in a flavorful liquid of undisclosed origin. Over here I've got some sauteed onions doing their thing, chilling out, and I got a little sauerkraut because I love sauerkraut with my sausages. With the entire purpose, the entire thing that I will now take, since these chicken and apple ones are basically done, now that I've poached them, they are cooked, right? They're heated through, that part is taken care of. Now, all I'm doing is I'm getting them over here onto my skillet so that I can get some good color on them. That is one of the key things you want to have, is good color on that sausage, even after you've poached it. The poaching does the cooking part. That's what actually raises the internal temperature, denatures the proteins, blah, 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 blah. Right now, I am looking for beautiful golden brown deliciousness and get that nice snappy, crisp skin on the outside. That is the key to properly done sausages, especially if you want to cook them efficiently and easily. So, there you go. The question of to poach or not to poach, the answer is poach. It's just better.